Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to continue working on the kitchen in our shop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. Over there is Josh. And we have been working on the kitchen and upstairs and all sorts of stuff. I didn't film anything today because I am a dumbass, but we will show you what we've got going on. By the way, new arrival. More about this car soon. I don't think it's going to last very long. Yeah, this is actually a car that's been on the channel a few times. This is Richard's car, and he is having to sell it on consignment. So, yeah, it's like 6,000 miles. It's in perfect condition and tons of carbon fiber. So let me show you what's going on. But real quick, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Check out NG Supercars and NormalGuySupercar.com. We appreciate you guys' support. Okay, you're going to have to forgive that it's dark, but right now there's no lights. All of the drywall, or well, it was particle board or whatever, it's all been removed. They're going to start drywalling probably tomorrow. So we've been scrambling to get the electric stuff ready because obviously you need to have the electricity stuff done before they drywall. So let me show what's going on up here. Hi, Josh.
We're working on a place for people to stay when they come out to visit.
Yeah, this is our bedroom. So this will be a place where people can stay when they visit. It's going to get drywalled out. We're going to have some lights and a ceiling fan and some other stuff. And hey, look, there's a window. So we're actually going to even add like a little closet, we think.
Yeah, I'm going to probably just do like a curtain right here or something.
Oh, yeah, that could work.
And then we'll put some shelves in here. Then we'll have a bed right here.
Yep, bed.
Like a nightstand or something, and maybe a chair in the corner.
Maybe a TV or something.
Cool Ferrari stuff on the wall.
And then you can still like look out and...
Oh, we are going to put this room's going to have its own mini split.
Yeah, so this will have its own air conditioning. All of this will be done. We're going to put carpet out here. This will probably be carpeted as well. Yeah, we got a door.
Barn door that's going to go right here. I have to frame this out a little bit.
Yeah.
It's going to come up to like here and it'll slide.
Over there in the corner will be a lounge area, so we'll do that in a little bit, but haven't quite gotten there yet. So anyway, we had a lot of progress today. They knocked out a ton of stuff, so we still have to install the lights. We need to get that done before they get back here tomorrow, so we're gonna hustle and get that done.
It looks like we still have a lot to do when you look at like the state of this room, but it's really not. Like we're getting really close.
It's close. Oh, here's the other thing. There's all of our cabinets. Yeah, we're gonna have to install these. Oh yeah, there's all the drywall. Yeah, so
the countertops should be here in the next day or two.
So we can get all this installed once they do the drywall. So yeah, it's been a busy day, but we'll show you more stuff as it happens. So just hang tight. Well, good morning, YouTube. It's the next day, and they are working on the upstairs. We'll show you that in a second. Josh is over here trying to get a little bit of progress in the 458. We actually just need to get it so it's running for now because
it's just replacing all the vacuum lines or the PCV lines.
Yeah, the PCV lines were totally kinked. They were doing nothing. In fact, it was getting pressure in the oil tank because of it. So we're going to try and get that resolved. We'll show you some DIY content on this thing.
I've been filming all of this, so that'll be a different video.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. I actually wanted to bring up two things I thought about. One, nothing in life prepares you for how much of your life you're going to spend breaking down cardboard. I have spent, I'm going to guess, a total of 100 hours this year just breaking down cardboard. Between shit we bought for a house and shit we bought for here, it just never ends. And you have to stack it up, and they only collect recycling like every other week. So you just have this a mass of cardboard, and it just is really frustrating. It takes weeks to get rid of it. The other weird thing is, when we first bought the shop, my GPS, Google would always say, hey, it's going to take you 12 minutes to get to the shop and 12 minutes to get home. Slowly, that has crept up to 16 plus minutes. And I think that's a function of how much construction is going on in the area. It is inevitable that every time I drive to the shop, I get stuck behind some giant truck or someone driving 20 miles an hour under the speed limit. And it's just so supremely frustrating. I hope it doesn't get too much higher. I mean, I definitely can get there or back in like 7 minutes, maybe 6, if I'm driving one of the Ferraris. In the truck, I can do it in like 10 if there's no traffic. Sometimes less, because there's only like I think 3 stoplights. It's not like it's that, there's not that much randomness. So it's just all about whether or not you get stuck behind someone because there's no passing zones anywhere. All right, so we've got all this stuff removed. We've got lights are wired. Obviously, we gotta wait until they do the drywall in order to do that. Whoops, we stubbed out the cabinets just to kind of see how they're gonna look. We have plumbing stubbed out because we need to wait on that. And then upstairs, we have drywall going in. Check this out. Oh. Oh yes. We have an actual room. Although, as you can see by the curved nature of these boards, this room is not square at all. These poor guys have had to deal with some seriously crappy angles. Whoop. Oh man. Well, there we go. All right, YouTube, we unboxed all of the cabinets yesterday. They're upstairs still working on the drywall and everything. Hopefully they get that and get to the lower, well, kitchen stuff, because we need the kitchen to get done before we can put in the cabinets. Yeah, not a whole lot has changed since yesterday. Josh is at Home Depot picking up some chains that we can hang the curtain. So we're actually gonna try and get that done today. That should be pretty exciting. All right, YouTube, it's another afternoon is all done. Let's see what they got done. Haven't started back here, but they did put up some of the ceiling. It's kind of it in the kitchen. Let's go upstairs. Oh yeah, you can see they taped it all. Kind of are starting to hide all the seams and everything. So it's coming along. Got this framed out. Got the holes cut for the lights. We're getting there, people. So they still got texture and all that other crap. Well, we'll join you again tomorrow and see how far we can get. Hopefully by the end of the week, we actually kind of have a kitchen and a bedroom stubbed out, although I don't think we're gonna be done with the kitchen. I think that's gonna be next week. Also good news, the lifts finally shipped out, so we should have those in 1 or 2 weeks. Yeah, we're down to the last few things, and it's like, whew, we're so tired. Josh and I have a joke about that. We're just like, man, we're ready for a vacation. You ready for vacation?
Yeah.
You
I
look.
got sick from Dan.
I'm sorry. That's totally my bad. I feel so bad. It hopefully doesn't last.
We have to work when we're sick too. So
yeah, it sucks.
unfortunately.
Well, we're trying to get some of these cars listed on the website for you guys.
We have 2 430 Spiders.
3.
Well, we have one listed already, but 2 coming.
Yeah, 2 more.
They're probably be on
up
there by the time you watch.
Yeah, by the time you see us, they should be up there. They might already be sold, knowing how things go.
Yeah, they're both nice. They're both different price points.
Yeah, completely different.
Both nice cars, though. Yo.
Well, look at this, YouTube. We have
curtains. It's pretty cool, actually.
the curtain. Yes, Josh up there hanging. Oh man, that looks awesome. I don't know why, but this is making me so happy. Well, we got a long ways to go. It's got to go all the way around back over to there. So
We're just doing the easy part.
yeah, we're doing the easy part first, too, because why not? Let me tell you, YouTube, it's been a long day. We got a lot of stuff done. So Josh and I were working on the curtain, and it's like 95% done. There's one section for some reason that the wheels are getting bound up, so we got to fix that. But you can see we got the railing all around us. And then you just kind of yank the curtain around and you can wash a car, and then hopefully it kind of contains the water in this area, and then you just squeegee it right out. That's gonna be so very cool. And then in here you can see the guys made a ton of progress on the drywall, so it's starting to look like an actual room. Oh my gosh, look at this. We have walls, and it's got a little framed out section, and we have stuff over there. Let's go check out what it's like upstairs. Holy cow, look at this. It's all been taped and floated and everything. It's an actual bedroom. Very cool. We're really close to getting this whole thing going. So you know what? I think that's gonna do it for this video. So like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out normalguysupercar.com and NG Supercars. And we'll be doing a lot of cool car stuff, so you're gonna wanna stay tuned. Oh, by the way, those of you that wanted to join the grand opening, well, it's totally booked. We're sold out, so sorry. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. It's gonna be sweet.